So for example, one of the concerns of my colleagues who study the ecology of the ocean is the fact that when you dissolve carbon dioxide in ocean water, and roughly half of our CO2 emissions end up dissolved in ocean water, you lower its pH, that is, you increase its acidity. And if you do that enough, then a lot of organisms, both microorganisms and things like shellfish, that build shells out of calcium carbonate begin to have difficulty doing so. And so you put those organisms at risk. We know that because we can grow them in tanks where we artificially increase the amount of dissolved CO2. At some level, it really begins to affect those organisms with a lot of knock-on effects. Now, it's important to stress that in all these changes, over geological timescales of tens of millions of years, the Earth has seen changes like this. The ocean has become more and less acidic. But you can evolve, if you're an organism, organisms can evolve to cope with that on the timescale of 10 million years. They can't on the timescale of 100 years. It's not the magnitude of the change that's so important. It's the rate at which we're pushing the system that is potentially lethal.